Hey, this is Caleb with Buddy Tech, and I have with me a Sig Sauer M400 Tread 10.5-inch AR pistol. Before we get started, that is empty, as is that. Awesome. Today we're talking specifically about this SOT 12-inch Firestorm Handguard. Special Ops Tactical makes this 12-inch Firestorm Handguard. We haven't seen a lot of reviews for it at the time that we filmed, which is surprising because our impressions are pretty positive. This particular model is designed to be used with low-profile gas blocks on mid and carbine length gas systems. It's free-floating, which tends to lend a better accuracy and stability than drop-in handguards. Construction is CNC T6 aircraft-grade aluminum. This makes it very rigid while weighing just 6.6 ounces. For reference, the factory 10-inch handguard on the SIG weighs 10.5 ounces. Granted, we have to take into consideration this slash cut here. I'd say it's really only about an inch in length difference. Now I know 4 ounces isn't anything to write home about, but it adds up. If you treat the rest of your build like this and you use lightweight components, when you go to the range, you're gonna have faster target acquisition and less fatigue. Think of it like a special edition track car where they take the glass and they replace it with thinner, like composite glass. They use carbon fiber body panels, get rid of the AC and the radio, and you end up with something that's lightweight and fast, adding speed through lightness. Same thing applies to ARs. It features six QD mounts, which is a lot, 2 strips of pick rail, and plenty of M-lock. The finish is a mil-spec Type 3 hard anodized coating, giving it a grippy and very appealing matte finish. We don't have a lot of rounds through it yet since installing the guard, and we haven't really banged it around in the back of a pickup truck, but we suspect it'll hold up pretty well. The finish is very comparable to that of the lower and the upper of the SIG tread. So there is a nice uniformity. It is a little bit lighter in color and maybe more of a matte, more of a softish texture on there, but the quality is definitely on par with SIG, which I consider to be more of a premium manufacturer. It's worth noting that these little hex grips were added on by us. They do not come with the handguard, and they are mounted by M-lock. In summary, we've got plentiful and flexible mounting options, lots of cooling. The looks are killer, and it's a big improvement over the factory handguard. Is it worth $200? To some, yes. Yeah, you can get handguards for under $100, but you can also buy like a Geisley handguard for over $300. So it's just gonna depend on what your purpose is and what your budget is. We are fans, and we personally purchased this, just in case you're wondering how we acquired this, and it will be at home on this SIG for probably the rest of its life. If you enjoyed this hands-on, make sure to check out more of our content at Buddy Tech on YouTube, Instagram, and Vimeo. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.